Oh no! Old McBarbie's barn is on fire! Quick, we gotta save the animals! Barbie's gonna gallop out of here! Oh, hey! Can someone grab the cats? Maybe we can put the fire out! How about a little sooner next time? Poor Barbie! That was her dream barn! And where is she gonna put all those cats? Not to mention all her larger animal friends. Don't worry, our friend TV Man wants to help. Probably. It'll make the perfect building material for your new house. Add some of Barbie's favorite color, pink. Plus some groovy new furniture. Here, Dolly, why not try out your new place? Aw, she even brought one of her little friends. You know, this guy gives me an idea. We'll whip up some new digs for him, too. This brings new meaning to tiny house. We'll even paint it a nice sunny yellow. Now let's fill the cage floor with some wood shavings. The little house goes inside with a ladder and wheel. Why don't you take a look inside? After all, it's almost time for a snack. Well, when Barbie's away, the cats will play. Careful, soda's a terrible thing to waste. Here, wrap this subscribe banner around a stick. It'll make the perfect base for our new cat tree. We just need something to bring in all the cool cats. Just remember, it's a cat's world. We're just living in it. Let's just hope that Barbie got the memo. Don't worry, I think they're just hungry. We can make something to help with lunchtime. An arcade game. Who says you can't play with your food? Now let's shred up some grains and meats. Cut them into little bite-sized pieces. Make a cute box to keep them in. Get scooping. We might need a few more bags. After all, they're gonna be prizes. I think you've earned a little treat. Ooh, save that old container. Freshen it up with silver polish. Next, make a little cardboard table. They're food bowls for all your furry friends. They'll need something to wash it down with. So let's whip up a drink dispenser. Nothing beats fresh water, except soda. Also milkshakes, but they're not for pets. Wanna try your luck, Barbie? Guess the first round's on us. Just press the button. Now that's my kind of game. We're ready for lunch in 3, 2, 1. It's raining cats and dogs in here. I think some kitty ate a little too much. Ugh. Anyone got a pooper scooper? I know. Why don't we crack a walnut? Save the pieces. We can use them. And make the pets a new potty. Of course, some prefer a litter box. So make 2, just to be safe. This really cuts down on the line, too. Of course, some prefer a private privy. Well, this new wall's a good start. Uh-oh! Did the cats throw a secret potty party? It's a mess! And guess who has to clean it up? Well, we might as well whip up some fun cleaning tools. And make them look cute too while we're at it. Animals made the mess. They can help clean it. Well, help us clean. By looking cute, that is. Besides, no stain is a match for these cool tools. Just in time. Barbie's got a new friend. A fish. But just where do we put him? I know. Empty out that small container. Now add an ocean backdrop, complete with a sea floor. Of course, we can't forget the water. Should be enough. I'd be careful with all these cats around. Let's put this guy on the high shelf. Didn't I tell you? Don't forget, sheep need love too. Let's start by giving her something to eat. Are you sure cat food is such a good idea? Of course not. Sheep have needs of their own. So let's whip up a barnyard specialty. We'll start by making some red jelly. Next, let's pour in some chia seeds. Like a watermelon without the shell. So why not add the shell? Both parts. Granted, it's a little stickier than usual. That'll make it easier to chew. You do you. Aw, we've got all our ducks in a row. I know. Let's save that cookie container. We can make something fun for our ducks. Add some shrubbery for atmosphere. And the most important part, water. It's what ducks like. Even Barbie just wants fun in the sun. But remember, today is kind of about the pets. Cut a bendy straw up into little pieces. After all, they'll make perfect joints. Just what our new swing set needs. Ah, this kitty cat sits upon her new throne. Ooh, did the temperature just drop in here? Maybe something in this bag could help. Ah, cardboard. It's a crafting gold mine. Set it up and paint it in a nice warm red. cover it up with some pretty stones. It's a fireplace. It's gonna need fuel. Ah, much better. Come on, kitties, let's spread the warmth. Oh, that stuff is so cool. Seriously, you just can't beat plastic containers. Just look at the stuff they can make. Now give it a nice soft cushion. Hey, what's that smell? Oh, your secret cotton stash. Lay down a stencil and add some colors. It's the perfect thing for our new rug. Everything's soft, from your toes to your back. Ah, nothing beats relaxing, especially with a cat. Pigs love to roll in the mud, but any slime will do. Of course, pig or not, a good time is a good time. Still, it's starting to smell like a barn in here. So let's make you a nice soapy sponge. Make it nice and wet and add to a soap bag. Seal up that soapy goodness nice and tight. Now let's put all those suds to work. Probably should clean that armpit too. The chicken laid an egg. So, which was first? Uh-oh, looks like Henny Penny's on break. But we need to keep the egg warm. We'll make it a special paper cup incubator. Add lights for heat and jewels, just because. I think some egg's birthday will be someday soon. Love is in the air. Oh, sorry, I might have just jinxed it. Here's something that will cheer you up. We'll make a special note just for you. It's rainbow colored, but not for long. Add black and white paint to a bag and mix it up. Place it on top with a cover and a kitty. Scratch it up to see the colors. Come on, Barbie, draw whatever you'd like. But she always draws with love. What's wrong? Your scrapbook's a mess. It's okay. Maybe we can save the photos. Drip some hot glue and make a small hole. It's a new photo frame. It's just what the wall needed. Uh-oh, I think Barbie's feeling hungry. We got you. We'll whip up a cute kitty toaster. Careful, there's some assembly required. Plop in some bread and pull that lever. That was quick. How does it taste? She likes it! But Barbie can't live on bread alone. Let them eat cake, as they say. But it could use a few more toppings. Here, Barbie, have your cake and eat it too. Guess Pet Book Club didn't work out too well. Naughty pets. Maybe we just need to rethink things. like a book filled with different animals. Add a cute cover and make a bunch. We've got our own little library. Wow, this place is filled with great stuff. But it's all your little friends that make it a home.